So, here it is vernier calipers. Here it is a vernier calipers, it is a main scale and it is vernier scale. Here these two are jaws. So, here upper jaws are there and a metallic strip also be there. Okay. So, when it is a thumb screw. So, when you using this thumb screw, what happens? These two jaws can be coincide. When these two jaws are coincide without any instrument, what happens? The zero of the vernier main scale and the zero of the vernier both will be coincide. Then, if the both will be coincide, it has no error. No error. Here, this rod, this metal rod can be used to determine the internal radius or internal depth of the this test tubes. Okay. You use the depth of a instrument, depth of a apparatus, what it may be. If a test tube is given to you, what is the depth of this test tube? How can you measure? Means by using this metal strip, which is coming out. And another one is two upper jaws also be there. By using these two upper jaws, we can determine the internal diameter of the this is hollow cylinder. And if you place horizontally like this, you can obtain the depth of the cylinder, by using this depth rod and by using this upper jaws. You can measure the internal diameter or inner diameter of the cylinder. Okay. And these two jaws, lower jaws, are used to measure the length of the object or radius of the object, diameter of the object, what it may be, length, breadth of a glass strip. Suppose you are using a glass strip like this, na? So, we can measure by using this vernier calipers the length and breadth. Okay. It is about vernier calipers. So, outside measurements. Okay. Next, vernier calipers also having some errors. So, a sliding scale is present on a graduated main scale, that is this. It is vernier scale and it is a main scale. It is vernier scale, it is a main scale. Yes, a sliding scale is present on graduated main scale. Least count is called value of 1 MSD minus value of 1 VSD. 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. Generally, here the value of 1 MSD is 1 millimeter. Okay. So, number of vernier divisions are 10. 10 divisions will be takes place. So, 1 MSD minus value of 1 VSD, it is the least count value. Least count is called value of 1 MSD minus value of 1 VSD. And total reading is equal to main scale reading plus fraction. Fraction means you must multiply the observed value. So, you are suppose measuring a cylinder's height. So, here the vernier 0, it is vernier 0 na? It is vernier 0, where it is contact with the main scale, that gives to you main scale reading. This main scale reading in centimeters. Suppose you place it like this. If the zero of the vernier calipers is say coincide, 0 of the vernier caliper, vernier scale is coincide with 2 centimeter. So that is a main scale reading. Then another one is there, from 0 to 10 values, 0 to 10 readings, divisions, one of the division will be coincide with the main scale. How it coincides means, suppose it is main scale, like this, like this. So vernier scale is there. Now, suppose it is 0, it is 0. 1, 2, 3, suppose it is 4th division, like this. It is coincide like this. It is 4th division. So this 4th division is multiplied with the least count of the vernier calipers. Least count into the coincide division of the vernier scale. That is 4 into least count. It is a main scale reading. It is a main scale reading. It is main scale reading, and it is a vernier coincidence into least count. So that is fraction. Vernier coincidence into least count. It is VCLC. Vernier coincidence into least count. That is 4 into 0.01, and main scale is 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter. So the total reading is that 2.04 centimeter. 2.04 centimeter. Here, zero error may or may not exist in the operators. Exist in the operators. Suppose zero error. What is zero error? Means when two jaws are in contact, 0 of the vernier and 0 of the main scale do not coincide. Zero error means here the main scale 0 and the vernier 0 both will be not coincide. What happens? It has an error. It has an error. That means here the 0 of the main scale and 0 of the vernier both will not coincide with each other when without an instrument between the jaws. So by using this thumb screw, the 0 of the main scale and the 0 of the vernier scale both are not coincide. So it has error. It has error. That is, error is called zero error. If the both zeros are coincide, main 0 and main scale 0 and vernier scale 0 are coincide, it has no error. It has no error. So here, if error is there, means the 0 of the main scale and 0 of the vernier are not coincide. Yes. If 0 error is positive, correction is negative. If 0 error is negative, correction is positive. What is 0 error? Positive 0 error. Here 0 of the vernier lies to the right of the 0 of main scale. 0 of main scale. Here it is a vernier main 0. It is vernier 0, and it is right side. It is right side of the main scale. It is left side of the main scale. So in that given error, suppose it is right, it is 0 of the vernier, 0 of the vernier, it is 0 of the main, like this, it has error. That is a positive error. That is a positive error. Yes, positive error. 0 of the vernier lies to the right of the 0 of the main scale. Suppose it is a 0 of the main scale. If the vernier 0 is like this, vernier 0 is like this, it is right to the main scale. It has a 0 error. It has a 0 error. So when the instrument is like this, here one of the vernier division will coincide with the main division. What is that value? What is the division? Suppose if the instrument is like this, and here the second division of the vernier calipers is coincide with the main scale. So you take it as a positive error, second division, 2 divisions. So 2 into least count 0.01 centimeter. So, what can we do when you take the value, the Vernier coincidence? When you are taking the Vernier coincidence reading, if you place a cylinder or a sphere or a glass strip, what it may be given to you, you place it that in between the jaws, so you must take the main scale reading and Vernier coincidence. Suppose Vernier coincidence is say 5. Vernier coincidence is say 5. So what is our Vernier coincidence? Observed plus correction. So observed plus correction means it is a positive error. Na? So 5 into 0.01 minus 2 into 0.01, that is equal to 0.03 centimeter. Otherwise, negative error is there. Negative error, how can you identify the negative error? Means without any object means a cylinder like that are not present between the jaws, and you attach the jaws. So the main scale 0 is this one, and Vernier scale 0 is like this. So here a gap is there. That gives to you both are coincide, both are like this. That means it is just left to the main scale, and here one of the Vernier division will be coincide to the main scale. Suppose it is say fifth Vernier division is coincide with the main scale. So you take that fifth division and multiply with least count, that is 0.05. This it must be correct. It must be correct in that final reading. So it is a negative error. Na? It is negative error means in the correction is positive. Plus. Suppose when you have placed a cylinder between the jaws, you take the main scale reading say 5 centimeter, and your observed Vernier coincidence is that seventh division. Okay, seventh division into least count 0.01, that is called 0.07 centimeter. But here error is there, that is negative error is there. So how much negative error? That is said 1 or 2, what it may be. So you must add this to 0.09 centimeter. Here what is the error here? That must be considered. That is a negative error or positive error, what it may be, that should be taken after in that value, in that reading as correction. So here the total reading is that main scale reading plus Vernier coincidence into least count. Coincidence into least count. It is last reading. That means this value or this value. Suppose 5 centimeter is main scale and fifth division is Vernier coincidence. The instrument having the error, negative error, that is minus 2. Correction is plus 2 into 0.01, that is equal to 5.07 centimeter. If positive error is there, plus 3. So 5 centimeter plus the observed value is 6 plus minus 3 into 0.01, that is 5.03 centimeter. Like this. Suppose you are using only one instrument, that instrument having only positive error or negative error. It does not have two errors. One is one time positive error, another time is negative. So it is very important, because these zero errors are systematic errors, only unidirectional errors. That's why it has only one type of error can be takes place, that is positive error or negative error. So total reading is that main scale reading plus Vernier coincidence. Vernier coincidence, this is Vernier coincidence, that is observed reading plus correction. So, observed reading is say already taken 5 and correction is that plus 2 because it has a negative error, correction is positive. Then you take a total reading as MSR plus Vernier coincidence into least count.